The T-fal Advanced Nonstick Fry Pan 10.5-inch is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers a reliable non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. This pan is also oven-safe up to 350 F. So you can start your dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. It is a versatile tool for many dinner ideas. The non-stick coating on the T-fal Advanced Nonstick Fry Pan 10.5-inch helps food slide off easily. This means less oil is needed for cooking. Also, cleaning becomes a breeze. Simply wipe the pan clean with a soft sponge and soap. For added convenience, this T-fal Advanced Nonstick Fry Pan 10.5-inch is dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort after preparing a delicious meal. This T-fal Advanced Nonstick Fry Pan 10.5-inch is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It features a comfortable handle for a secure grip. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps prevent hot spots and ensures your food cooks perfectly. While it may not have a titanium finish like some top-tier options or the prestige of Viking, it's a solid choice for everyday cooking in the USA. Consider it a reliable workhorse in your collection of pots and pans, and a worthy addition to your cart. Replacements are also readily available if needed. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 350 F. Good for frying. 10.5-inch size, black color, advanced quality, versatile cookware, trusted brand. Cons: non-stick may wear off, can scratch easily, not induction compatible, uneven heating possible. Handle may loosen, thin. Lightweight feel, may stick over time, not the most durable, lower heat retention, slips on. Some burners, warranty may not cover. Wear, contains PTFE features. Non-stick surface 10.5-inch size, oven safe to 350 F, fry pan type, part of cookware, safe. For dishwasher, black color, advanced quality, easy to use, great for cooking. This 10.5-inch black T-fal fry pan has a non-stick surface, making it easy to cook without food sticking. It's oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Being part of the cookware category, it's designed to be simple to use and great for everyday cooking needs. This 10.5-inch black T-fal fry pan has a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning. And it's also safe to put in the dishwasher and oven up to 350 degrees F. Making it a versatile tool for frying and other cooking tasks. While it's considered an advanced quality product from a trusted brand, the non-stick coating may wear off over time and can scratch easily. It's not suitable for induction cooktops, and some users have reported potential for uneven heating, a loosening handle, a thin and lightweight feel, and the possibility of food sticking eventually, suggesting it might not be the most durable option with lower heat retention and potential to slip on some burners. Additionally, the warranty might not cover normal wear, and it contains PTFE